form an algebraic expression. Is it clear to all? Yes, ma'am. So listen one word problem. Rani has some comic books. Okay, she gives 5 of them to Rama. Rani has some comic books with her and she gives 5 of them to Rama. How many books left with her? Ashutosh.
X minus 5.
What is x in this?
Ma'am, variable.
वेरिएबल. तो आपने कैसे डिसाइड किया कि हमें x ही लेना है?
Ma'am, because ma'am the books value is not given.
Not given. That means the value of the number of the book, the quantity of the book is unknown. ठीक है? तो in place of unknown quantity, what we are going to take? Variable. ठीक है? And 5 books are left away, so we can write x minus 5. ठीक है? That books are left with ठीक है? राम के पास इतनी बुक्स रह गई हैं. x is the variable, x is the unknown value. ठीक है? और x की वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकती है. उसके पास 10 बुक्स भी हो सकती है, उसके पास 12 बुक्स भी हो सकती है, उसके पास 15 बुक्स भी हो सकती है. ठीक है? And this expression is called algebraic expression. Which expression? Algebraic expression. Why it is called algebraic expression? Because it is having variable as well as constant. Clear in class?
Yes.
Now today I am going to give you some word problems. You have to write the table in your notebook and you have to complete them. ठीक है? चलो कौन से लेवल के नोट्स? Problems. The first is Tanya has some toys and her father gave her 6 more. ठीक है? You have to form an algebraic expression for this. ठीक है? And the second one is Ekta is 3 years younger than her sister. The third one is Priya divides some chocolates equally among 3 friends. And the last one is a farmer has 8 cows more than thrice the number of buffaloes. Clear it? चलो form the algebraic expression. Ekta is 3 years younger than her sister. Whose age is younger than her? Kiसकी age है sister? Sister की younger है, तो तुम्हें इसका answer. Who is younger, Ekta or her sister? Ekta is younger, and what do you do? What is this? No, can be dangerous. Who's still doing this? Raise your hand. Okay, I'll give you one more minute. some seconds. Okay, now we will start discussion. First, Tanya has some toys and her father gave her 6 more. How can you form an algebraic expression for this? Don't shout, my man. Nisha. X plus 6. So how to take x over here? किसकी जगह आपने x लिया है? Which quantity? Tanya. Good. Tanya has some toys and some toys are is an unknown quantity. For this we can take any variable. ठीक है, निशा ने कौन सा वेरिएबल लिया है? x. You can take any variable. It's not compulsory कि आप x ही ले हमेशा. You can take a, you can take b, you can take any variable. ठीक है? x plus 6 and y is adding plus 6. इसे subtract क्यों नहीं किया? Why she is adding plus 6? And the more is the keyword here. ठीक है, more मतलब ज्यादा and more is the keyword that we discussed in the previous class. Keywords पढ़े थे हम लोगों ने. तो more यहाँ पर किसका symbol होता है? Addition का symbol होता है. Clear class? Good. Sit down, Nisha. Second, Ekta is 3 years younger than her sister. Rajat.
We will form y minus 3.
Y minus 3. Which we have to take y?
Now, as we don't know the age of Ekta's sister, so we took y for it, and Ekta is 3 years younger than her sister, so we take minus 3.
Very good. Clap for him.
And here younger is the keyword, so we can know the
Very good. While I am roaming in the classroom, I have seen the most of the students done this question now. They have taken younger को उन्होंने क्या समझा? Big. And they have add. Only few students have done right. Now you got it? क्या करना है आपको? यहाँ पर एकता की एज भी अननोन है और उसकी सिस्टर की एज भी अननोन है. So we can take the unknown age of our sister as y, x, whatever you want. ठीक है? हमने यहाँ पर लिया है y. And एकता is 3 years younger than her. तो क्या हो जाएगा? y minus 3. Clear class? अब इससे गलत किया तो समझ में आया? चलो, next one. Priya divides some chocolates equally among 3 friends. Naivedya? NCR.
Ma'am, x upon 3.
X upon 3. For what we have taken x?
Ma'am, some chocolates are unknown value
Very good.
and it is divided. Ma'am, Priya divides it among 3 friends, so we have taken x upon 3.
Very good. यहाँ पर keyword क्या है class?
Divide.
Divide is the keyword. Equally divide कर रहा है. That means we don't know how many chocolates are there. We can take unknown number as x. ठीक है? And we are going to divide it into 3 equal parts. 3 friends को दिया, तो divided by 3. We can write x divided by 3 or we can also write x upon 3. Clear class?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, last one. Chinmay. A farmer has 8 cows, more than thrice the number of buffaloes.
Ma'am, power 8 cows.
Okay.
Ma'am, the size of the number, like plus generic expression is 8 plus 3 by
8 plus 3 by. यहाँ पर y क्या लिया है?
Ma'am, variable.
Which variable?
Ma'am,
यहाँ पर variable किसके लिए लिया है?
ma'am, buffaloes.
Buffalo. Number of buffaloes. ठीक है? उसको नहीं पता how many buffaloes are there, तो he has taken y as the number of buffaloes. फिर
Ma'am,
y multiplied by 3.
ma'am, because there is a thrice. Thrice means 3.
Very good.
So ma'am, we will multiply 3 by or 3 into y.
Very good. Then we will write 8 plus 3y. We can simply write 3y plus 8. Very good. Clap for him. आया समझ में क्या करना था? There are unknown number of buffaloes. So we can take y as the number of buffaloes. अब equation में अब word problem में क्या बोला है उसने? 3 times, thrice of the buffaloes. यानी 3 times of the buffaloes. So we can write 3y. और cow के number कितने ज्यादा है उससे? 8 more. तो हम लिख देंगे plus 8. So there are 2 keywords. The first keyword is thrice. And the second keyword is more. Clear in class? Is there any problem with this? Okay. एक बार फिर से revise करें. Now tell me for which quantity you are going to use variable. For which type of quantity you are going to use variables? Tisha Gupta.
Ma'am, for unknown value.
Very good. Now tell me what is the meaning of variable? Variable होता क्या है? What is variable? Imagine.
Ma'am, variables are letters that we use for unknown quantity that is not given in the
वैरी करती है, ठीक है। वेरिएबल दैट मींस द वैल्यू विल वेरी, वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकती है, इट कैन बी 12, इट कैन बी 5, इट कैन बी 7, क्लियर टू ऑल, ठीक है। नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द वेरिएबल एंड द कांस्टेंट। आई हैव written two keywords over here, the one is variable and the one is constant. Now tell me what is the difference between a variable and a constant. Nami,
Now a constant is a number and that is used with the variable, and then the variable is the quantity. Variable is used to show the quantity. Now 3y. So now the y is the variable and 3 is the constant.
is it right? 3 is the constant?
No,
क्या 3 constant है यहाँ पर?
No ma'am.
चलो कौन करता है? In this equation, the last one, 3y plus 8. What is the constant? Constant क्या है? बोलो। 8 is the constant because 8 की वैल्यू कभी भी चेंज नहीं होगी। Now tell me the proper difference between a variable and a constant. Sit down. पर Kirtish,
Ma'am, a variable value can be changed
very good,
and a constant value cannot be changed.
very good. आया क्लास समझ में? क्लास करो फास्ट। वेरिएबल एंड कांस्टेंट, मैंने क्या बोला था? वेरिएबल की वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकती है, इट कैन डिफर, बट कांस्टेंट जो होता है इट विल ऑलवेज फिक्स। द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन द वेरिएबल एंड द कांस्टेंट इज वेरिएबल की वैल्यू वेरी कर सकती है, इट कैन बी एनी वैल्यू, बट द वैल्यू ऑफ कांस्टेंट इज ऑलवेज फिक्स्ड। नाउ इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, now come to equation number 1 again. For suppose earlier Tanya has 12 toys. Earlier जब पापा ने दिया उससे पहले तान्या के पास कितने टॉयज थे? Yes, 12 toys. Now how many toys she has now? अब उसके पास कितने टॉयज हैं? And how will you write this? मैं repeat the question. ठीक है, तान्या के पास पहले before the उसके पापा ने उसको दिया she has 12 toys earlier. Now how many toys she has now? अब उसके पास कितने टॉयज हैं? आराध्या,
And she has 15 toys.
15 toys. Are you sure? Look at the board. Mudit.
Ma'am, as first we will see the equation. In the equation, ma'am, x equals to 12 you have 10. So ma'am, 12 plus 6 equals to 18.
Very
So,
good.
ma'am,
Now, हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर x किसे assume किया? Some toys को assume किया था हम लोगों ने. Tanya has some toys. और अभी इस some toys की जगह मैंने आपको क्या quantity दिया? 12. ठीक है, तो in place of x you have to write 12. क्या लिखेंगे in place of x? 12. And 12 plus 6 is equals to 18. ठीक है, this is called the solution of an algebraic equation. ठीक है, यहाँ पर solution यानी x की वैल्यू क्या है क्लास? 12. Clear to all?
Yes ma'am.
पक्का? Now you are all able to form an algebraic expression. ठीक है? Okay. Then form an algebraic expression for the equation 2n. That means 2 times of n. Write your note. The algebraic expression is 2n. That means 2 times of any variable, that is n. And now you have to form an algebraic expression for this. How will you form? Word problem से algebraic expression बनाना आ गया. अब algebraic expression से word problem बनाना आना चाहिए. चलो. Done? You have to form a word problem like this. जैसा मैंने बोर्ड पर लिखा हुआ है, in this way you have to form a word problem. Done? I'm coming one by one. Do you want? Very good. Good. Done? Yes, no. Priya? Some grammatical problems are there, but बहुत अच्छे problems हैं. That we give now. Take it again. This is मतलब क्या लगता है क्लास? हैव। ओके, आई हैव, रिपीट।
I have some toys and my brother has toys of it.
वेरी गुड, सही है। अर्श ने कहा आई हैव सम चॉकलेट्स एंड माय ब्रदर हैज ट्वाइस ऑफ इट, यानी उसका 2 टाइम्स। वेरी गुड। चलो सेकंड, यस आरती बोलिए।
Ma'am, I have 8 times more than 12 twice of the number of eraser.
बट आई एम नॉट राइटिंग मोर देन 8, क्या यहाँ पर मैंने +8 लिखा है कहीं भी? इट इज अ राइट वर्ड प्रॉब्लम। ओके, अभी
Ma'am, Meena has some chocolates and her sister have twice of it.
वेरी गुड, आया समझ में? चलो कीर्तिश।
Meena has twice the number of notebooks than Rahul.
आया क्लास समझ में? दैट मींस अगर सिंपल सी बात बोले कीर्तिश ने क्या बनाया? टीना हैज ट्वाइस ऑफ नोटबुक्स एज कंपेयर टू राहुल। तो राहुल के पास जितने नोटबुक्स हैं उसका 2 टाइम्स किसके पास है? टीना के पास है। दैट मींस राहुल के पास अननोन क्वांटिटी है व्हिच इज n और उसका 2 टाइम्स किसके पास है? टीना के पास। नाउ आर यू एबल टू डू दैट?
Yes.
Open on your workbooks, mention calculate date and start doing it. Page number 10. Mention. First mention calculate date आ रहा है। Just recall the keywords. Ravi is 8 years younger than Mahesh. Same level but totally different roles. It is 6 or it is 8? It's not 2 upon 3. More than half its breadth. तो breadth अगर 3 है तो 3 upon 2 not 2 upon 2. Breadth का half 3 upon 2 plus. Just open the content book and read the that part. How can you form an algebraic expression? इसका हो गया, they can read the content part of the algebraic expression. It is less than, not more than. First we have to remember all the keywords. ठीक है, less than मतलब होता है subtraction. Subtraction का keyword होता है less than. ध्यान रखना। Who is less than? Rahul or Rajesh? Rahul. That means you have to subtract the value of Rahul, not Rahul. Rahul has 1 less than twice the number of pens that Rajesh has. तुमने सही क्यों बनाया? It is right. But while we writing a number and its coefficient together, जब 2 times वाला लिखते हैं, like मैंने लिखा है वहाँ पर 2n, तो it's we will put a multiplication sign between the number like 2 and 2 into n लिखना जरूरी नहीं होता है when we form an algebraic expression. You can simply write 2n. 2 times of n 2n. 2 into n लिखना is not compulsory. X minus a plus 5. The length of the string is 6 more than half its breadth. Breadth नहीं पता तो we can assume breadth is b. उसका हाफ क्या हो जाएगा और उसमें कितना ऐड करेंगे 6 क्या बन जाएगी 2n plus 10 so 2 into 10 what is the value of n here 10 2 into 10 20 and again you have to add 10 it is 30 not 20 you forgot to add सोचो the length of a swimming pool is 6 more than half of its breadth तो क्या unknown है इसमें चलो बताओ length is unknown or breadth is unknown breadth is also unknown so we can assume breadth is b अब breadth का half क्या हो जाएगा breadth का half क्या हो जाएगा किसी